Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening a supported browser and granting camera and microphone permissions. This allows Zoom to access hardware. Once done, paste the meeting link or type the meeting ID and passcode into the Join form. Make sure to choose Join from your browser when prompted instead of downloading the app. You'll see name and audio options. Select Join with computer audio so others hear you. If you need muted entry, toggle that before joining. Once inside, locate the toolbar at the bottom. Use mute/unmute and start/stop video to control presence. You can open participants to view attendees and assign reactions, and use chat to send messages or links. To present, click Share Screen and pick a window or tab. Choose Share Computer Sound for video playback. If audio has issues, open Audio Settings, select the correct microphone and speaker, and run a quick test so your voice and sound output are clear. To finish, click Leave to exit the meeting or end meeting if you're the host. Confirm when prompted. Before leaving, check settings for virtual background, camera resolution, and bandwidth limits to improve quality. If video or audio stutters, first reload the browser tab and rejoin. Make sure no other apps hog the camera or mic. If problems persist, clear browser cache, try a different supported browser, or switch to the Zoom app for more stable connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.